What's going on, everybody? I'm back with a new Unity video for you guys. I know I've been promising you for a while now, and over the course of a few weeks now I've been kind of making a 2D platform, and I wanted to replicate Super Mario Brothers. Over the course of time I will do a step-by-step guide about how I created this game, and go over the materials I used, the assets and whatnot. I'll provide you guys with the sprites and stuff that I got offline. But as of right now, I'm not comfortable with it. It's not finished, and until I can explain it to you guys, and then I will release the content to you. But that'll be coming over the next couple weeks, couple months, depending on my job and school and whatnot. But while making this, I ran into an issue. I know you guys saw the player movement script that I did before, but now this player movement, I wanted the player to flip when he was going the opposite direction. So when Mario would go right, I wanted him to look right. When I pressed the A button to make Mario go left, he was still looking right, but he was going left. So I wanted him to do a 180 and to look to the left when he was going left. And I did a little bit of research, and I found out those were EulerAngles. So I'm going to show you guys what I did and try to explain a little more. So let's go start this and go to scripts, C#, and call it movement. Open up mono development, and here we're going to add our first variable, and just name it public float move speed equals 1.0f. Then we're going to jump down to this update section, so we wanted to update frame by frame. So if input dot get key code. Pretty much this is just saying if I press D, then it's going to do something. So we're going to do transform, and sometimes Unity likes to make this capital T, but for this instance we got to make it lowercase t. Translate vector 3 dot right times our move speed time delta time, to make it update smoothly through frame by frame. And so I'm gonna do a little cheat here, it's a lot easier. So we're just gonna copy this so we don't have to do it again, and then paste it, change this to A, and then change this to left, so he goes left. Just control save it, or control S to save it, control F8 to build it, so make sure there's no errors. Then we're just going to add this movement script to Mario. You see that it's not attached. Yep, there it is. Hit the play button, and right now the scenery is all wonky, so I'm gonna have to move it up to this game idea, or this scene screen, so you can see what I'm talking about. So pressing D, I'm going right. Pressing A, I'm going left. But you see, he's still facing right. This is where EulerAngles come into play. So we're gonna hit play, pause it, go back to our mono development, and in here we're going to add another section to the script. Transform.EulerAngles equals new vector 3 0 for x, 0 for y, because when we hit D we don't want him to flip. That's going to go into the A part where we want him to flip 180 degrees on the y-axis. Just copy and paste that and change this 0 to 180. So we're going to control save and control F8 to build it. Make sure there's no errors. Now we go back to Unity and we're going to play it. Right here, pressing D, it's going right. But wait, pressing A, he flipped, but he was going right. And we made one mistake. So go back to mono development, and right here, because we added this Euler angle, since it's going left, it flips him to the left, but it actually makes him go right due to the Euler angles added to make him do 180 degrees. So all you have to do is change this to right, Control S, Control F8 to build it, and then go back to Unity. Now let's try this again. Pressing D, it's going right. Now when you press A, he flipped 180 degrees and he's going left. So that's it for the tutorial. As of right now, like I said, over the course of a few weeks, I'm going to try to knock out this platformer and get it to you guys. If you have any questions about coding, anything you want to see, just shoot me a comment and I'll see what I can do to provide it for you guys. I appreciate you guys watching this, and I hope you keep supporting me to make more, because game development is kind of a hobby of mine that I'm slowly and efficiently getting into. If you ask me a question I don't know and I don't respond to you, I'll do a little bit of research on the side to try to help you out and give you the best answer. But stay tuned for more, and like, comment, subscribe, whatever you can do to help me out. And thanks again for watching. Have a good one.